Alright, good afternoon, everybody. It is Monday, and yeah, it's again starting after work today. I really just don't like to film at work. I mean, because if I did that, it'd just be the same thing every single day. So, I mean, I'm trying not to have that kind of thing happen in my vlogs, is not to be the same thing every single day. Though I understand that, life has those times where, you know, nothing really special, you know, uh, right now is, happening, but, it's just, that's life, you know. But yeah, it's kind of nice out today. I mean, I haven't seen any rain, but the sky is definitely saying rain. So I'm actually kind of excited about that. I want it to rain, though. I really want it to actually rain, not just, have the look of rain. Oh, there's the thunder. Just as I said that. So I guess that's my cue to get inside, or at least get shelter anyway. I don't know how well you can maybe see her, but there's a bird's nest right there. Right in this bush, right outside our laundry room window. It's a cardinal in her nest, and there's eggs in there. My mom saw it earlier, there's eggs in there. She's just keeping her eggs warm. Wonder when they'll hatch. Look at how beautiful the sky looks tonight. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, I'm outside again. I'm waiting for Julia to get here. We're gonna head on over to Crane's Roost. She was on Facebook saying like, I want to get out of the house. I'm bored. So Anthony's like, anybody want to do anything? So I said, hey, I'll take you up on that offer. I'm bored too. So yeah, she's coming over, and then we're gonna go over to Crane's Roost and just, chillax. Sibling stuff. And here we are once again in a sign out with a black background and my face lit. Yeah, I've been doing this a lot lately. And then promising that a day following would be better, when really, in essence, it wasn't. Quality-wise for the video, I mean. Yeah, I've been thinking about this, and I really need to start acting like a YouTube partner. And that means really making content worth uploading. And the last few weeks just hasn't been, in my opinion. Just not good enough. Needs to be better. So that's got to change, and I've got to stop making promises and not following through with them. That's a big thing I've been thinking about lately, is really just being tired of inaction, not following through with things, and not finishing things that I've started. It's been a big problem lately in many areas of my life, and it's something that's got to change. And I might be honest, I really don't know how to. But I find that in a way that's the beauty of it. It's because I have no idea what I'm doing. And that's why I find that I need to trust in the Lord. That He's got it all under control, and I don't. It's such a simple concept that many people these days don't quite understand. But I'm learning all this, anyway, it's just, one of the things that's been going through my mind lately, and one of the things that I've been learning recently, and really having to come to terms with a lot of things in my life, and, my birthday's the day after tomorrow. I'll be 27 years old. A lot of things that I wish I could be, or could have been by now, are still way in the future. But I'm certain that the Lord will restore lost time in His own way. I'm just tired of inaction. And I guess that, I've been thinking about that to encourage you guys in some way or another, is to, just don't use an excuse that you're waiting on God for something as an excuse for inaction. I know I have, and that's been far too long, and that needs to stop. Waiting on God is a beautiful thing, but using it as a crutch, an excuse for inaction, not anymore. Not anymore. So, yeah. It's time for me to make that realization and grab a hold of it and run with it. In more ways than one. Yeah. So, I've got a lot of work to do. Not just like immediately, but in general. I've got a lot of work to do. I'll see you guys tomorrow.